Good morning, all students. This online class organized by our school, Saraswati School. Today, after completing two chapters from physics, today I am going to describe next topic from chemistry. And this first topic from chemistry is elements and compounds. Elements and compounds. Before discussing these elements and compounds, here it is necessary to describe about matter. This matter topic is world topic, already read in previous class also. And this topic elements and compounds is related to this topic matter. So in briefly I want to discuss something about this matter. Firstly, about matter. Matter means, as we all know, that everything in space that has fixed mass and occupies a space, and also that thing that can be that can be felt by our sense organ. And these substances having mass, occupies volume, and held by our sense organ are called matter. And as in previous class, we have also classified matter depending on shape, size, volume, etc. And here also we classified matter by depending on purity. Here in previous class, depending on shape, size, classification of matter. First classification comes and depending on shape, size, volume. Shape, size and volume. By depending on this character, we can classify matter into three groups as solid, liquid and gas. And as previously we have discussed about, we have already known about solid, liquid and gas. Solid means that substances, that matter which has fixed shape, size, volume and generally are rigid to touch, hard to touch. And liquid is other type of substances that has fixed volume but not fixed shape and size. It can be flow from one place to other place. And other is gas, that has no fixed shape, size and also not fixed volume. They can occupy all the space that is available. And these are classification of matter depending on shape, size, volume, etc. And other type of classification that comes under this term, generally under this topic, elements and compound, is next one is classification of matter on purity, depending on purity. By depending on purity, matter can be classified into two groups. One is pure matter and other is impure matter. As here, these matters can be classified into two groups. First one is pure matters and other comes as impure matter. These impure matters are also known as mixture or solution. These pure matters further get classified into two groups. One is element and other is compounds. Now further I am going to discuss about these elements and compounds. Firstly, about elements. Elements are those pure substances, those pure matters which are composed of same type of atoms or unique atoms. Those pure substances composed of same type of atoms. Here question may arise about atom. What are atoms? That about atoms also discussed further. And for example, silver, gold, hydrogen, oxygen, uranium, etc. Up to now, nearly 118 elements have been discovered in our universe, in our space, and among these 180 elements, 92 elements are natural elements, whereas remaining elements are artificial elements. Artificial elements are those manufactured by us, manufactured by scientists. And after this, next try to understand about what are compounds. Compounds means those substances. This is also one of pure substances. Those pure substances which are composed from atom of different elements. Means those substances composed of different type of atoms are called compounds. Here, composed of different type of atoms. Here, for example, water, ammonia, sodium chloride, sulfuric acid, etc. To understand clearly about elements and compounds, I am taking example of hydrogen and ammonia. From this example, what are elements and what are compounds will be clear. Take example of hydrogen. So symbol is and ammonia. The symbol is NS3. Here for hydrogen, gets to this hydrogen is composed of two atoms, H and H, whereas this ammonia NS3 is composed from 4 atoms, and these atoms are atoms from nitrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen. And here from molecular structure, we can clearly see that atoms present in elements and compounds, and from atomic structure of hydrogen and ammonia. Here we can see that hydrogen is composed from 2 atoms, and these atoms are same type of hydrogen and hydrogen atoms. Whereas in ammonia, here are 4 atoms, but these atoms are not of same type. One is nitrogen atom, whereas remaining 3 atoms are hydrogen atoms. And so we can say that this hydrogen is element, and this ammonia is compound. And after elements and compound, further try to understand about symbolic representation of elements. Symbolic representation of elements. Symbolic represents is abbreviation or short form for name of elements, and different type of elements are represented symbolically by different ways. Some elements are taken as abbreviation by taking first alphabet, whereas in some cases by taking two alphabets, whereas also there are some type of elements in which symbolic representation is taken from name in other language, and that language is also called Latin languages. And here first one method is by taking first letter from name. Some example of this type of symbolic representation is here elements and symbolic representation, or this is also called symbol. This is serial number. One number, hydrogen. Yes. Oxygen. O. Nitrogen. N. Chlorine. Uranium. Hydrogen, oxygen, similarly also carbon. C. And after this, I is about symbolic representation of those type of elements in which two letters are taken from name. And also here it is also to remind that when only one letter is taken, then that letter should be taken in uppercase only. Lowercase is not acceptable, and that is must for today's class. I will discuss in next classes.